Welcome. We'll go to the section called. We'll go to the section which is Artificial General Intelligence (AGI). Bernard Godas is the and others became concerned that AI was no longer pursuing the original goal of creating a versatile, fully intelligent machine. Statistical AI is overwhelming using to solve specific problems. Okay, even highly successful techniques such as deep learning, they found that the subfield artificial general intelligence, which had several well-funded institutions by 2010. So this is a little description about artificial general intelligence. Okay, we'll go through all the concepts and then we'll connect all those dots together. So let's go to tools. So tools were used like search and optimization. In tools, search and optimization logic, these are the tools. Probabilistic methods for uncertain reasoning, classifiers, and statistical learning methods. And artificial neural networks, deep forward neural networks, deep recurrent neural networks, evaluating progress, hardware improvements. These are the tools in artificial intelligence, and then we'll go to applications of artificial intelligence in the next video, where we'll learn about what are the applications, and then we'll go to philosophy of AI. What is the philosophy? Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next section, which is application of AI. Thank you.